Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a domain restriction to your Trello workspace. So if you're currently using Trello in your work, so if you're currently using Trello in your organization, guys, or your company, and you want to, let's say, set the domain restriction for all email addresses that is from your company domain can be added, then this is how you basically do it. So once you're inside Trello, you want to click the Trello logo on the upper left hand side, and here you want to simple click on settings. Now you want to look for the section here where it says workspace membership restriction. Now if you click on that, change towards the right hand side, you'll have the option that says anyone. That's what it's set by default, but you can easily change this to only specific email domain. Now once you click on that, you want to go ahead and add the domain. So here you can simply type, for example, gmail.com, or if your company, let's say name, I don't know, whatever it might be, company.com, you can simply go ahead and add that. So I'm going to type, for example, Gmail. So I can simply type gmail.com. Let's say that is the company, and I can go ahead and I can add that. Now you can always go ahead, guys, and add more domains if possible, right? So you can add, for example, company.com, right? You can add, for example, company.com, and you can add as much as possible. So if you're working with multiple companies, or you collaborate with people inside your organization, or collaborate with a different organization with a particular project, and you want to restrict it to only people from those companies, you can easily select and add those domains. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So this is how you can restrict members to a specific domain on Trello. I hope you found this useful. If you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Go ahead and test this out, and thank you guys for watching.